Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, I'll try to make this quick and short, but I'm at work, break room. Today's video, I'm going to attempt to grow mangoes from these. Okay? Now, just follow along with me. Follow along with me. I don't have a tripod or nothing like that, so I'm gonna try my best to prop y'all up somewhere and we can get all of this. First, let me peel these and slice the mango meat up in the container. Just gonna cut as much. There's root forming already. That's why we decided to record this video, so I could share this information. I don't want to cut too close. Where the mango seed curves on the inside, you don't want to cut too close to it, just in case there's a root already forming there. So I'm gonna see that there might be. Just use my hand and pull this away. I'm the one eating it anyway, so I'm just gonna wash this. Some folks like to leave them, let them dry out a little bit before they do it. From what I've seen, yep, this one does have a root already coming up. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Scrape as much off the seed as I can. Right in here. I want to be careful with that. Just like I suspected. So if you look right here, right there, that piece coming out from the seed, that's what I'm talking about. What I'm gonna do is cut the back curve of the seed so I can get into it. And it's wise to wear gloves. I'm gonna use a scissors when doing this. Yeah, so you don't cut yourself. You might. And this is the reason why a lot of folks let them dry out for a couple of days, so they're not all slippery. Cut into it. Nope, I didn't. Work. There we go. I'll take this and wrap it in wet towel paper, and I'll show you that once I get done with the second one. All right, so I got the other seed pulled out, and I'm about to show you what I was talking about with the seeds yesterday. See right here? See that brown piece right there? So I'm gonna pull this back, peel it out, and I need a knife. I think I damaged it, but I'm still gonna wrap it up in a napkin, and hopefully it still sprouts. Because it's falling out. Yep, I might have damaged it. What? Hopefully I taught you guys something. You can see this coming out from the seed. That's where the root is. And when you put it in the napkin, the sprout should come out from here, I think, at the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet them, wrap them up, put them in most people put them in plastic bags, but I'm putting them in 2 bottles I cut, put them in upside down, and we'll see what happens. I'll update you. Thank you for watching. So it's been a week later with the mango seeds, and quicker update than I planned to. The ones that I thought were broken, this is what's going on with them. So that's a week in. I haven't checked the ones in the napkin. Let me go check them real quick. You're supposed to wait 2 weeks, I think, to see anything. It says to keep them in a dark area, and that's what I'm doing. Next week, Monday, I'll open these up and see if there's any progress in there. I have the date written on them. So there's your update on the mango seeds. These were the ones that I thought I had broken, but here we see proof of life. They're actually pushing the dirt on top of it out. So hopefully next week we see them standing straight up and get ready for leaves. So Solar Down Thought is your update. Next video will be in planter boxes for the pool area. So stay tuned for that.